to Marathon last night, yesterday afternoon, just to get a dinghy pass, and I was a little bit shocked at how things are inside there. I'll show you.
We're the Redneck Redcoats, and we're sailing SV Fresh to Solden.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You.
Hey, how you feeling?
Probably one of the best sails we've ever done.
How do you feel about the fact that we don't have to tack and go back?
But we're not even tacking at all. Just set the sail and just go.
I think the difference between this and learning to sail on a lake is that you can only sail so far and then you gotta come back.
Yeah.
But
We're doing 6.3 knots.
we can just kind of keep going. Yeah?
You're doing 6.3 knots. Our wind vane is saying 10 knots, but Eddie's is saying 12. So I think that's fairly cool. And it says we'll get to Rodriguez Key at 4:30 right now.
And that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna try.
These are the sails that I pictured in my head and what our dream was when we decided to do this. 6 to 7 knots in beautiful weather. It's not hot, but it's not cold. And the water's clear. You can go to the back of the boat and just look down at the sea. And we're still in 15 to 20 foot of water. I can't get that on camera. I definitely would because it's pretty amazing. Spinnaker's doing its job. Yeah, this was the dreams that we were going for. How fast are we going?
6.5.
How fast were we going when you altered course?
7.
How come you altered course?
We're going a little bit too fast.
Were we going too fast or were we heeled over too much?
Heeled over too much.
I kind of think we should just let it go.
Yeah, but then we're really lazy kind of machine.
No, I don't. We need to help get him a halyard line and a spinnaker up there. Might be heeled over just a little bit. Yeah, you might alter course just a little, or woo, huh? What happened? A lot. I heard things crash down there. I mean, we're fairly healed over now, but we were healed over enough that that sail was touching the water. Have arrived at Rodriguez Key. The plan is, some people don't know this, but yesterday Stephen and I and the kids took our dinghy out to look at some little houses and that are like in the water in Miami. But anyway, we accidentally bumped our dinghy into one of this metal poles that was holding the house up and punctured it, like a 3, maybe 4-inch puncture. So now that we're at Rodriguez Key, Stephen and a couple of our friends patched the dinghy yesterday. It's been 24 hours now, so we're gonna anchor, and then as soon as we're done anchoring, Stephen and I are going to air up the dinghy and put it back in the water and see if our patch has held. Fingers crossed.
Can you navigate us to this point so that I can enter the locker so that I can get the anchor out?
I can do that. Okay. We are about to leave Rodriguez Key and head to Marathon. I'm going to assume that Ben Talon's been standing out there at the front of the boat with the anchor device in his hand, the anchor remote. He really wants to learn to do the anchor. So, here we go. So we went into Marathon last night, yesterday afternoon, just to get a dinghy pass, and I was a little bit shocked at how things are inside there. I'll show you. wow, the whole side of the boat is nasty. So I don't understand why they wouldn't either force the owner or somebody come and clean it up. Again,
I said I'm not that bothered about getting a mooring pole here.
because it's so crowded.
Not that, there's just
So many
junk
sunk
boats everywhere.
Yeah. And sank boats everywhere. One of the things they told us yesterday when we came about the teeny pass was that if a mooring ball came available, they would come and they would call us, and we had 2 hours to get here to get on the ball. But one of the problems with that is the fact that we're only able to come in at high tide, because she said even at high tide we may struggle with the 6.5 foot drag. So I just don't know that it's worth it. We kept hearing all this stuff about Marathon. Just get to Marathon. Don't forget to stop at Marathon. It's the best place ever. We have heard that from every single person that we've talked to since we've been on our boat. And then so I feel like, what am I missing? Am I missing something major? Because this is not, well, it just doesn't look that great to me. I don't know. Or am I just being a jerk? I don't know.
What if we sat one off on the boat? Set everything on fire. What are they setting on fire?
I don't know.
We just wanted to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody. If you've liked what you've seen, please click on that like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It really does help us out a lot, and it encourages us to keep going. Also, if you want to see us get better at this, if you feel like you could help support us, because we need new camera gear, because we want to make the channel better, consider becoming a Patreon. The link is in the description. Thanks very much, and a Happy New Year.